Where could he be?
Do you mean Warren, Charlie? He's been detained at the TV studio.
Really?
Hi, Charlie. I'm Susan Lucci. Oh, haven't you heard about the deal between Warren and me? He's going to be a big star at All My Children, and I'm going to be taking over Berkshire Hathaway.
Well, you've certainly got some important qualities that Warren lacks.
Well, thank you, Charlie. And you can relax now, you dear man. You just make yourself at home, because I'll take it from here, thank you. I've been wanting to talk to our shareholders for quite some time now. There's some changes I really think we need to make around here. The first thing we need to look at is our dividend policy. I have never heard of anything so cheap and so unfair to our wonderful shareholders. We need to change it.
Sounds good to me.
And second, we need to look at giving guidance on earnings. And we need to do that every single week.
Sounds good to me.
And third, we need to pay our directors more than $900 a year.
Just 1 minute.
Hi, Warren. Warren, I thought you were at the All My Children studio.
What's that talk about dividends that I hear?
Oh, nothing important, Warren. You just concentrate on your role on the show.
Susan, my show is Berkshire Hathaway, and my role is to run it.
Warren, you can't do that.
I just did it. All My Children can't do without you, and I can't do without Berkshire.
Oh, Warren. So you mean the deal is off?
The deal is off. I really want to thank you. You've brought me to my senses. You can go back to All My Children. I'll stay here at Berkshire, but I am so grateful to you, Susan, that I want you to go out to Berkshire, out to Borsheims, and I want you to pick out anything you would like and charge it to Charlie.
Oh, Warren, you are a darling. Thank you. You're a darling, too.
Now, wait a second.